Welcome to Tropolite, where food safety is our top priority. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes and introduce you to our dedicated food safety team. Meet our passionate and skilled food safety team. They are the backbone of our commitment to ensuring the highest standards of food safety.
I am responsible for overseeing the implementation of quality and food safety procedures of each stage of processes.
I am responsible for ensuring food safety through implementing globally recognized standards.
My role involves ensuring appropriate licenses and legal compliances of the system.
We employ state-of-the-art testing methods to ensure the safety and quality of our ingredients and final product. Compliance with regulatory requirements is non-negotiable for us. Our food safety team stays up to date with the latest regulations and ensures full adherence. Tropolite, we believe in the power of education. Our food safety team conducts regular training sessions to enhance awareness and promote a culture of food safety among our employees. We are committed to continuous improvement. Our food safety team constantly reviews and enhances our processes to ensure we deliver the safest products to our customers. To learn more about our food safety practices, reach out to our team. Together, let's ensure a safer future for food.